Okay, let's do an end of November 2025 plot tour, and I'll start as I normally do by the my 3 compost bays. As you can see, I've got 2 of them already filled. These are totally full now, and I'm just waiting for the next manure delivery to our plots so I can finish this one. Cover there, waiting to go on. I've reinstated my liquid manure system, which is just basically sinking a pot in the ground and using the cup over there to scoop it out and bottle it. And it's just another free resource, really. These pallets that have go to the side of here make great storage for your canes. Some spare boards there which are going to go on the front of this one, like those. Okay, let's have a look in the greenhouse. It's going to be a quick one because there's not much change from last month. Right, I'll just replace the candle simply because it keeps going now, basically, on and on. I've mentioned it before, my little candle heater in here keeps it. When I came in, it was about between 6.5, 7 degrees, and there was frost on the grass as I walked here this morning. So it does its job of keeping this frost free, as long as we don't get too cold. If we're going to get a really cold one, I can put 2 candles on. Right, my attempts to overwinter chilies and peppers and such is I've never done it yet. I've never achieved it, so I'm trying again this year. And this year I'm doing it slightly different. I've left them in the pots they were in, and just chopped the top growth off. And as you can see, some of them look as though they're dead already, but some are still alive, like this one. So we'll see what comes of it. I don't hold out much hope. Here's my onion pips that I'm growing. First time I've ever grown onions from pips, but it's just a little thing to do. My coriander is still growing. That'll be needing potting on soon. Some overwintering herbs down here, and the sweet peppers look dead. Oh, this one doesn't. Anyway, we'll see on that. Just rubbish here. These hanging baskets, all I've done is cleaned them off, and I put, this is manure, just manure that horse manure, story horse manure, and I've done that to all of them. And see, there's one down there. Let's walk around, see what else has changed, if anything. This is pretty much the same. Still getting bits and bobs out of here, cabbages and what have you. Had a couple of parsnips out of this bit, had some leeks, and I took first row of the celeriac out. And they don't look brilliant, but they do. Right, all my new raised beds, they've all been done in the same way. I've got partially composted layers on the bottom, fully composted on top of that, and leaves on top of that just to protect it, and then covered over for the winter. And that's the same with all of these. I've still got some carrots in here. Not brilliant, I must say. I'm not sure I'll leave them in like this for next season, because a lot of them just split quite badly, so they were virtually unusable. Anyway, Garlic is looking okay now, and even the elephant garlic is showing its heads through, so I'm happy with those. Can't believe that this asparagus is still green in places. I've chopped a couple of stalks out of it. There's one in this big pot here. Right, this has been covered over. This was where the green manure was, the buckwheat. So this is going to be next year's sweet corn bed in here. Got some Swedes at the end there. And this will be, I think it's going to be the onion bed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've got this for the onion bed. Sprouts are not too happy, but there you go. The only thing I've really got growing in here is some lettuce in there and some spring onions that are still left over. Right. I dismantled my watering system, the solar powered irrigation watering system, took it all down. I don't think it's very good, to be honest with you. I wouldn't, if I'd have known, I wouldn't have bought it. At the end of here, where that fence thing is, that metal thing is, I had a market more cucumber, and I just pulled a load of green dead material away, and I found two cucumbers that were really yellow and virtually rotting. So I carefully lifted them up and brought them in and took the seeds out of them. I got some really nice seed harvest from them. Right, in the polytunnel here, as you can see, everything is gone now. I've sieved, here's my sieve. I've sieved all of these bags in here. It's all sieved compost, ready for the next season. So that's another free resource for me. I don't know what I'm going to do with this red vein sorrel and this, what is it, ruby chard? Yeah, I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. Whether it'll continue growing, I've no idea. But we'll see. Not much else happening. Let's see, what have I got? I've still got a bit of a mound of compost extra here, which I'll probably use for topping up somewhere. I just had the recently had the seed delivery from our association. We buy it from King Seeds, and I'll try and get as much of it in as I can. They're the seeds I've just collected yesterday from those cucumbers I was telling you about, the market moors. And these are the ones I'll be growing. Some of the ones I'll be growing. Now, I paid this plus some seed potatoes, some 30 odd pounds, and that's really cheap for this amount of seeds. Plus, I got a £5 odd rebate, so you know, it really pays to buy in bulk like that with your association, and they do a really good job of it here. Okay, so where are we going now? Not much else to see really. That's all done. Everything's covered over, winterized. I'm just tidying up and sorting things out bit by bit, slowly. Anyway, that's enough of me waffling. There's not much else to see. I have got a couple of big jobs, and that is cleaning this polytunnel and cleaning the greenhouse, and I'll do that probably end of January, something like that. I don't want to do it too early because I'll only have to do it again. And I did try one of those mops with the microfiber mops that you use on cars, and it just wouldn't shift this algae. So what I did was got a head off an ordinary sweeping brush with reasonably soft bristles, but not too soft. And that did a great job last year, and I'll be doing that again with them this year. As you can see, I've got the manure on top of these, and I'll probably, when it comes to replant with the tumbling tomatoes, I'll take all of that out and rehash it all. But I think the manure on top keeps the soil sweet. Okay, I think I'm done. Oh, and anybody who thinks I need help with these videos, I really don't, because the whole object for me is to know what I'm doing month by month and I don't forget things. I'm not interested in monetization or anything like that from YouTube, and I'm not particularly bothered if I don't get high viewing numbers. It doesn't bother me. It's mainly for my own benefit. If other people want to watch, that's great, but you know. Anyway, that's me, and I doubt if next month's going to be very much, because about the only thing I'll be sowing next month is I'm going to try these onions this year, Globo, and these North Holland Blood Red. Never tried either of them before, but I'll be trying them this year, and I'll be sowing them on the normal day of Boxing Day. Okay, I will stop now.